Car foam drill polishing pad kit 22 PCS, 3-inch buffing pads. Package includes 16 PCS 3 sponge polishing pads, 2 PCS woolen buffer pads, 2 PCS drill adapter, 2 PCS suction cup. Suitable, used for all kinds of coat paints, waxing, polishing and sealing glaze to clean and improve their lightness, and for auto car detail polishing. Adhesive backing, you can change pads just in seconds. High quality, prime quality wool pad, sponge pad, bendable, washable, and reusable. Different colored sponges have different softness, you can choose as you need, suitable for polishing rough and small areas. Professional wool and foam pad buffing, polishing, and finishing system. Efficient cutting and polishing the most difficult car oxidation coating, scratches. Can be used in pneumatic or electric polishing machine. All sponge polishing pads should be cleaned and leveled before use to ensure that there are no particles left. After use, polishers should be cleaned immediately and dried in a cool place.